at PetSmart for the first time. Come on, let's go get you a bed, buddy. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, we should have gone to Lee's Petco. Ooh, look at all the new beds for Lucky. Ooh, look, he stopped and it's reduced to clear. Good dog. You're so good. Here. Come here. Come on. Come on. That's good. Help him on there.
Good boy.
That's it. Is that it? No? Okay, let's try another one. You like this one? Come here. Come here. Oh, that's soft.
Uh-oh.
Nope.
Here we go. This is it. I have a feeling.
All right.
Let's see.
Like this one? Oh, it's like that. You're right.